Ooh, fuck, that's good. What's up, home bartenders? Welcome back to Rob's Home Bar. So we've officially entered the fall season, the fall cocktail season. It's one of my favorites. I've compiled a list already of past years. We've done all sorts of fall cocktails, so make sure you check that out. But one in particular that I did last year, a Harvest Mai Tai. So I took the classic Mai Tai cocktail and I gave it some fall inspiration. So I replaced the rums with some apple brandy and pear brandy. And then I added a little bit of cinnamon syrups. We had a little bit of like fall flavors to it. And it was really good. And I started thinking, what other drink could we transform into a fall cocktail? And I am a huge fan of the Pearl Diver. I made a video a couple of years ago on the classic Pearl Diver. So click on a link somewhere and you can check that out. The classic Pearl Diver, it's a Dawn the Beachcomber classic. It's a tiki drink, so lots of ingredients, and it's got its own glass, which I love this glass. And I want more uses out of it, because I mean, basically you only use it for a Pearl Diver, so I figured, well, you know, why not get another drink that we can use? So I'm gonna make a fall-inspired Pearl Diver. So the Pearl Diver has an interesting ingredient called Dawn's Gardenia mix. It actually includes butter and allspice dram and a few other ingredients. In order to transform the Pearl Diver into a fall Pearl Diver, the first thing we need to do is make a fall version of the Gardenia mix. So let's do that. All right, we got some seasonal spices, nutmeg and clove, we got some syrups, and my homemade infusions, which I will link to below. And of course we have butter, because this is Gardenia mix. I melted the butter, you don't have to, but make sure it's soft so you can actually mix things together. We're starting off with honey syrup, 4 tablespoons, that's a 1/4 of a cup. You could use straight honey as well. Then we're gonna do Demerara syrup, 2 tablespoons or 1/8 of a cup. There's 1, there's 2. After that, we're doing cinnamon syrup, also 2 tablespoons, 1 and 2. And then we're gonna go into the infusions. We have 1 tablespoon of my ginger liqueur and 1 tablespoon of my allspice liqueur. And that goes into our butter. After that, we're gonna grate some fresh nutmeg. We're gonna do about a 1/2 teaspoon. I'm not really measuring here, just grate that in there. And just a slight pinch of clove. Go easy on the clove. I'm not a huge fan of clove, but a little bit will give you that nice fall spice. And I forgot to film here. I went straight to mixing, but I did add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, homemade vanilla extract. And all right, so we're gonna mix that. If it's not coming together, you can always microwave it a little bit until it's smooth, and there you go. We got our Gardenia mix nice and gooey. It looks like a loose batter. If it starts to solidify, the butter starts to harden, just microwave it a little bit. You're gonna blend this, not blend, but you're gonna mix this so fast that it's not gonna like congeal in the drink as you're making it. So don't worry about it. You can keep this in the fridge for a while. I mean, again, it will solidify. Just take it out little chunks at a time. Microwave it before you use it. It's kind of like the batter you use to make hot buttered rum. But this stuff is incredible. All right, so let's make the drink. All right, so we've got some apple brandy. We've got, of course, our El Dorado rum. We've got my homemade falernum, lime juice. Got some bitters, some apple cider. That's cloudy apple juice. All right, let's get started with 1.5 ounces of local apple brandy from Spy Distillery. Love that stuff. 1 ounce of El Dorado 12 Demerara rum. That is amazing rum. My homemade falernum. We've got some lime juice and apple cider. And then we're gonna do our Gardenia mix, a full ounce of that. Followed up some bitters. We're gonna do 2 dashes of Ango and a couple dashes of maple walnut bitters. I love those things. There's a scream fall flavor. All right, let's get some crushed ice in there. Can't find my little ice scoop, so we're just dumping it out of the bag. Get that lid on there, quick shaky shake, and then we're going to grab our Pearl Diver glass. There it is. Straight dump in there, keep all that ice. We're gonna top it off with a bit more ice, of course. And then let's get to garnishing. We're gonna start with a nice fan of apples, because, you know, we're gonna torch a cinnamon stick to aromatize it and stick that in there. Let's get some mint. This is, I mean, it's a fall drink, but it's still a tiki drink, so we gotta garnish the crap out of it. And our straw, and there it is. The Autumn Drift Diver Punch, or whatever. It's a Pearl Diver for the fall season. It looks absolutely amazing. I can't wait to taste this, so let's get to it. All right, let's give this fall version of a Pearl Diver taste, calling this one. I keep forgetting, the Autumn Drift Diver. So I'm looking forward to this. That's awesome. That's really good. You still get that rum. The Demerara rum is amazing. Eldorado 12, like such an amazing rum. The apple flavor comes through from the apple brandy and from the apple cider that we put in there. And then just that warm spices from that Gardenia mix, or that Fall Gardenia mix. Oh, and look at that garnish. I mean, the mint doesn't do much. It's just pretty. Apple fan, beautiful. The nice cinnamon stick, we burnt it so that cinnamon aroma is right in your face, right as you're drinking. Wow. Yeah, this will definitely become a fall staple. Like, let me tell you, this is really, really good. Okay, I could drink these all day. All right, so let me know, guys. If you like this one, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you haven't checked out my Harvest Mai Tai, which is the fall tiki drink that I made last year, it's just a short, but go check that out. Check out that one. It was really also really good. And let me know what other tiki drinks, or it doesn't have to be a tiki drink, but what other seasonal drink from another season can we like convert to a fall autumn cocktail? So if there's a specific drink you'd like to see, kind of a fall version, let me know in the comments below what other drink can we transform into a fall drink. And I'm gonna finish this guy, probably put in one of my acrylic Pearl Diver glasses and head out to the hot tub. So I will see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Ooh, that's good. Cheers, everyone. That is very nice.